yes. Me nche say dey way. I think say South Africa is becoming too notorious. But minim says ebe we official there. Yes, papa mo bra na obu ofa. Anambwa.
I know there.
Papa mo bra na obu ofa. You see, every single national in every single country etu kwan ko bia obi man so.
Yeah.
Hwe oba ha no mu say ya, sankofo mu tiri hwan say mafin. China foi. Omo dos wo ha bibre. Omo ko be bia they are everywhere. Oko Malaysia, China for about 20%. Oko Singapore, they are there. Oko Kenya, they are there. Oko South Africa, they are there. They are everywhere. But you see, there's a certain level of diplomacy here. It's a South Africa for a hoodie. Except otherwise. But I am very much concerned about the silence posture of AU, African Union. Why are they silent over all these things?
Whoa. If I were expecting them saying AU
exactly.
Ukraine, at least officially make official statement.
Yeah, but the AU is virtually silent. Whoa. I say
Africa no go Iran there.
Share. Sa no mo ye ya ma Burkina. Cuba ya. Oboso ye no fa ho ben. You see, they are making it look like as if say ye yim. And country be so check country be a papa be check country be near there. They have been silent for a very long time. And Ghana is a member of AU. South Africa is a member of AU. So why are they silent over all these things? Now I say, yeah, they crock the jaws, baby, yeah, my coin say, you prepare Ghana for, you prepare other national. I don't know more fan other national force. So you Americans for South Africa. Omo how near here. Omo for Momo Sako American ni South Africa. Now let us be of the known say South Africa for a pra and master Moku American ni. Nana ko hwe ni besi. Omo do mo sa hye no hu say ye ka enye yi. Ya mobra. Ye kuro no ne etia na tie. Nti yetumi kwa ne yakọ Mauritius ne yakọ Bobosia ne de akwakoye Mauritius omudi ahwedie. Ne yakọ Bobosia ne de be besi ICT center. It tells you say we are trading on a certain path. Oba Ghana ha no musi ya hwanum na dos wo ha pa. Ye nuanom Naija fo wo ha. Sa retail business obo ka ho asem mo akwakoye sem bibre no. They are equally doing the same thing. China for mo nya na wo ha. India for wo ha. Even South Africans wo ha no musi.
They are all trading.
So what is the cost? So are they trying to say we should retaliate and also South South Africa for free Ghana ha no mana? Maybe I don't blame them. They are fighting for their country. They are fighting for their country. It's also your Ghanaian. You need to think and fight for your own country. Yeah, man, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The last time I called EU summit, Emma, we are seeing now who said the slavery was the biggest crime against humanity. Maybe
that was UN.
UN. Yes, UN.
General Assembly.
General Assembly. It was the biggest crime against humanity. Is it the biggest crime? Say obeku obi no afa ohwadi.
Dabi. Within yankase ho.
Among our own continent. No what you nua wo se dabi odidwa wo so wo mpesa adwa no bodwa ono nkonkoye na kese. No what no no epra no ahye ne ma no oku no. I mean, is that right? Does it make sense? But they are silent over all these things. And you see, say yanka ho asem enne. Na ya fa ye ho adwen. Ni yan take advantage and fan build ye maya. This is how it's going to end. I am tempted to believe say almost every single youth, not all, almost every single youth is fed up and has given up on Ghana. And I was so shocked in my bones. Obi oye nurse ni oye doctor. I mean young doctors and nurses for EB. I had an interaction with some of them, and they have already given up in their spirits long ago for Ghana. Omeko Barbados, Omeko Liberia.
When I say Barbados, I
am telling you, yes.
You know more that arrangement.
But you know one funny thing. You know one funny thing. Now why you know Barbados?
Yeah.
Now couple time associate some about the data. They have signed extra contract and extension. Some maybe
backlog go big go actually.
You
signing agreement.
Of course.
Omo fie bi cry pe bi do bi afa.
Na ye pe omanya na ka betu yakwa kwotena so aye adwuma me yasomadu ya Barbados. Liberia. na Ghana nya ko Liberia so kwakoye health worker waye wa 7 to 10 awi omna so oma e hono mo de che Ghana. Can you imagine this?
No, there's no hope.
You see, so yes,
automatically obenya adwuma ye. No, honest why engaged.
But mind you, those people were employed in our health system before leaving. No more health system ni mo dada asido moko. But you see, the irony is that almost everybody has given up on Ghana. Hear me say, omo aye kwa mo was South Africa. It will interest you to know. Ko bi fie na ko catch and say, "Chale yenko Ghana." Obe catch so onko.
Some of them, there are some of them say.
There are a lot of them who will come.
Yeah, a lot of
and there are some of them who will also not decide because they have given up already.
Oh, na minia. And to kwa na ekoso Russia ne
Ukraine, yeah.
I'm not able to see the sea horse the plane see horse on from Omunko. Omunko to kwa baby and to kwa on.
Oh yes. And I know can say. Uma Keroforiata the chance. So choose between Uncle Patan to kwa friend say US and Iran and Tokyo. Iran. Any US to they said didn't back about to see Iran. No, because there's no hope. They have given up already. And I must say, go to every single part of this world. Naturally, the way you must take advantage and develop your mind. Me, I agree with Donald Trump 100%. Say, hey, more Africans, more come because have you ever seen the US president tell Ghana say and Africa so what be spending holidays in Ghana? And I pay Jumaye. And so I go for the back Ghana how no Musa be pay Jumaye. It is just because there's a certain level of culture we don't want to accept it. It should be a deliberate and a conscious effort to say, yen try na yen give it up another hope to the Ghanaian youths.
All right.
Because see, and yes, sir, now what is the meaning of all these things? Eyejuma, and the future of the young youths. Say Juma ni hodo obviously. Okache so uncle Liberia, uncle Kuntoko, Beka Koko. Okaso uncle Nigeria, uncle Yejuma Fufro Beka. Look at the number of Nigerian ladies or more Hanumus, Nigeria for more Hanumus or more Yejuma Fufro. You can understand and you would admit to say that is not the way to go. But the reason is that there is no hope as it stands now for our teaming youth. Or measure that shebo a bobby, there's no hope. Ya catch us so ebema ejuma we ni akwa kofa paper ni a church to go snips near the sheshe honomo. Not the real Ghanaian youth to be suffering. Now they are paying themselves with huge amount of money. What lessons have you learned so far in the past?
Me da se me ba me twa mo ba me ba ye won commons ba kusu di eno so